Hey everyone, today we're going to see how to create a graffiti piece in the iPad Pro using Procreate software. I will try to cover all the essentials and explain the process. So I have opened a new canvas. I am using quite large dimensions, but it doesn't really matter. And on a new layer I am drawing the letters. The brush I'm using is the solid brush and you can find it on my brush pack. It is available on Creative Market, Gumroad, Patreon and my shop. I will leave links on the description. So I'm drawing the outlines of the letters, but obviously I had created a rough sketch earlier of the letters. So yeah, first I'm creating an outline in black color of the letters of the design, and then I will move into the filling and all the rest. Then I added a light gray background and I duplicated the outlines layer. Next, I changed the color of the outlines copy to white. I'm doing that because I want to fill the letters and the main color of the filling will be white. So after I change all the outlines to white, I will also fill the letters with the white color. Then I will unhide the black outline. This is the one I had hidden earlier because I had also the white outline. So with the black outline I will be able to see the letters clearly. And then I will start drawing some new lines to create an effect on the letters, like some parts are separated. This way I will add some details that will make the design more interesting. You can experiment with various styles about that. You can find different techniques online and try to make your own versions on your designs. Then I would like to add some shadows to make the letters have more depth. So I will duplicate the white layer and then I will make it black. After that I will move it to the back behind the white layer. And then I will move it slightly lower and a bit to the right. This way, as you can see, you can produce a shadow. And then if you'd like, you can fill the corners so you can make them more solid. Next, I would like to add more things on the feel of the letters instead of having just white. So you can add anything really. You can create shapes, you can add gradients, you can add more shadows. You can play with several colors and have the different shapes in different colors. But in general, you can experiment with whatever you have in mind about that. You can also get inspired on Pinterest. You search for graffiti or graffiti filling and yeah. For example, here I'm adding also some gradient on the side of the letters with blue color. Then I will move on the outer part. I have taken a gradient brush and I am creating some details around the letters like this yellow color. I will do the same with the purple color, and then I will create some drippings from the letters. I'm also using the solid brush again for that, and so I'm just dragging down the straight lines. Another thing you can do is that you can play with the saturation and the hue of the colors that you have already tried, and maybe they will look better in a different combination. Then I will create even more drippings. I would like to give this effect of spray paint or paint going down on drips, so it looks a bit more rough and give some abstract style. Then I will add some extra brushes on the background so it will look even more rough and make it look more more interesting, have more colors, more details. And then with the same brush I will also add in a different color. I will try to match the same or similar colors that I have already on the design, so pink, blue, purple. But this is the whole process I use for this design. It's not very hard, especially if you are familiar with Procreate and with the layers and the brushes. It's very easy to create something like that. So yeah, if you'd like, some of the brushes I'm using are on my brush packs, especially the solid brush that I'm using very often. You can find them on the links on the description. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment below with whatever you'd like to see on the next video. So thank you and see you on the next one.